Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Jahana Biprantik Wali, and today I am reviewing an inspiring TED Talk by Sugata Mitra titled New Experiment in Self Teaching. This talk challenges many traditional ideas about education and presents a powerful message. Children are capable of learning for more on their own, capable of the learning for more on their own than we often believe. So Mitra begins by describing his famous experiment known as the hole and the wall. In the experiment, he installed a computer with internet access into a wall and poor neighborhood in New Delhi, India, where many children had never seen or used a computer before. He did not provide instructions. Teachers, instruction teachers teacher computer he did not prove the instruction teachers or training. Instead he simply observed what happened. To his surprise, the children quickly learned how to use the computer by themselves. They explored different functions, opened and programs, browsed websites, and even taught one another within a short period. They are performing tasks the adults assumed required formal instructions. Mitra repeated similar experiments in other parts of India, including remote villages. The results were remarkable. Consistent children, regardless of their social or economic background, showed an incredible ability to collaborate, experiment, and discover knowledge independently. One particularly interesting experiment involved children learn about complex scientific concepts in English. Even though English was not their first language, at first they struggled to understand the material. However, time by working together and discussing ideas, they significantly improved their understanding. This suggested the curiosity, interaction, and access to information can be powerful drivers of learning. A key message of the talk is that education should not only focus on memorization and standardized testing. Instead, schools should encourage curiosity, creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. Mitra argues that children naturally enjoy learning when they are given interesting questions and the freedom to explore answers. Another important concept introduced in the talk in the role of encouragement. Mitra observed that children performed better when they received positive reinforcement from supportive adults. They did not necessarily need expert to provide all the answers. Sometimes simple encouragement, appreciation, and interest in their progress were enough to motivate them to continue learning. The talk also raises important questions about the failing future of education. In today's world, information is easily accessible through the internet and artificial intelligence. Therefore, education system may need to shift from teachers to students memorize facts towards helping them develop skills such as problem solving, communication, adaptability and lifelong learning. One of the strengths of these TED Talks is its optimize, optimistic perspective. Sugata Mitra believes that every child has no potential to learn regardless of their background. If they have access to right tools, opportunities, and supportive environments, his experiment challenges educator, parents, and policymakers to rethink traditional classroom models. However, there are also some limitations to consider. Self learning may not work equally well for every child to every subject. Some students requires structured guidance, personalized support, and direct instructions. Subjects involving advanced mathematics and laboratory work or specialized skill often benefit from expert teaching. Additionally, unique access to technology remain a significant challenge in many parts of the world. Despite these concerns, Sugata Mitra work offers valuable insights into education can involve the digital age. His experiment demonstrate that children are naturally curious, capable of teaching themselves, and eager to learn when they given trust, freedom, and access to knowledge. In conclusion, new experiment in self-teaching is a provoking and inspiring TED Talk. It encouraged to be reconsider what education means in the 21st century. Rather than viewing students as passive recipients of information, Mitra invites us to see them as active explorers who can discover, create, and share knowledge when others, whether or not one fully agrees with all of his conclusions. The talk provides an important reminder children often have far greater potential than adults expect, and the future of education may depend on our willingness to nurture curiosity, collaboration, and independent learning uh, collaboration and independent learning. Thank you for the listening. Allah Hafiz.